All right, 8th grade, we're going to be working on box and whisker plots, but before we do, I want to tell you a quick story. And by the way, I have this, should be 9.5, not 7.5. Anyway, when I was in 8th grade, I played baseball, and I was our center fielder. And there was this one game where I was playing center field and was kind of dazing out a little bit, and the guy at home hits just a sky-high hit into center field. And so I'm staring up, and I'm kind of getting blinded by the sun, and all of a sudden I realized that the ball is getting bigger as it's coming down, and I couldn't figure out why the ball was getting bigger. And then it hit me. Hoping at least one person laughed at that. Alrighty, we're going to be doing box and whisker plots. Okay, so before we do box and whisker, we got to get back in the habit of how to find the median of a set of data. So I have a set of data down here, and in order to find the median, there's one problem right away. These numbers aren't in order. Okay, so we have to make sure we get them in order. So let's go 6, 8, 12, and then 14. Okay, so the middle number is going to be between the 8 and the 12, and the way you find out the middle number is 8 plus 12 divided by 2. There's lots of different ways to do it, but that ends up as 20 divided by 2, which is 10. So the median of this set of data is 10. Okay, everything in box and whisker plots is going to be dealing with the median. So here we have a set of data, and we need to find the median first. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is write them all in order. So it looks like 17 is the smallest, followed by 17. Next smallest will be 19, then 20, and 21. Sure, this is all very exciting to watch me do this. 23, 26. This is a lot easier when I have 8th graders in class to help me. 28 and 29. Alrighty, so that was a lot tougher than it should have been. Alrighty, so we have this set of data, and now what we're going to do is we're going to find the median of the set of data. So I have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Median number is going to be right here. So the median's 21. Okay, now, with a box and whisker plot, we take this number, whoop, you're not going to let me do that. We're going to take this number and we're going to cross it out. Okay? The numbers to the right are called the upper quartile. Any number to the left will be called the lower quartile. And what we do is we have to find the median of that set of data. So over here, the median is going to be between 26 and 28. So the median is going to be the one number in between, which is 27. And over here, the median is going to be between 17 and 19. So the median is 18. Okay. Now, in order to draw a box and whisker plot, there's a couple different sets of data. Okay, the first thing we need to do is make a number line down at the bottom. Okay, we need to make a number line with numbers that we're going to use. So we need to go between 17 and 29. So I'm going to start down here at 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we make a box between the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So if the lower quartile is here at 18 and the upper quartile is here at 27, we make a box between those two numbers. This box here is called the interquartile range. Most people just call it the range, though. Okay? Which is a little different than the range we've been using before. But interquartile range is the box. Then we find the actual median, which is 21, and we draw a line in the middle of the box, right there. So, lower quartile, upper quartile, median. Okay? And for the last step, this is 27, and the largest number is 29. We draw a line out from the box to the upper number, 29, And we go here and we draw a line to the lower number, 17. These are called the outliers. Anything in blue. Okay? And that right there is a box and whisker plot. We have the lower quartile, upper quartile, the median, and the outliers. All right? So, if we try to do this again, we're now going to create the set of data. And so I'm going to go 3, 3, 5, 8, nope, 7 then 8, sorry. 12, 12, 18, and then 21. So first thing we have to do is find the median. Should be right here as 8. So the upper quartile, so if this is 8, we'll cross that out. Upper quartile is here. So it's between 12 and 18. Number between is 3 away from each, so 15. And the lower quartile is here. The middle number is 3 and 5, so the lower quartile is 4. So let's make our box and whisker plot. Lowest number is 3, highest number is 21. So I'm going to go start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, lots of different ways to make it. So we make the box between the lower quartile and upper. So here's the lower. The upper is here at 15. We create our box. Now we have to put the median in, which is 8. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 medians right there. And we draw to the outliers. And this goes all the way to 21, which is right about there. So there you go, box and whisker plot. I'd like you to try to make your own. Okay, is this an odd number here? Yeah, try to make your own, see how it goes. Okay, so we're back. Let's see how this went. Now, this is almost in order, so I'm just going to move this 6 over. So there's our order. So for the median is going to be in between these two numbers, which is a 5. Now, is that right? 5 on each side. Yep. So, and I wanted you to play with this a little bit. It's a little different. Now, because this median is 5, we don't cross any number out except this one up there. So that means that this whole section is the upper quartile, and this whole section is the lower quartile. If you crossed out each of these, your graph is going to be a little different than mine. But that's okay. I just wanted you to try on your own and see what you did. Whoops, what am I doing? Upper. Okay, so if you made a mistake there, make sure you fix it and make it look like mine. So the median's 5. The upper median is 12. Did I do it again? What is wrong with me right now? I think I'm distracted by the Michigan State game. They're up by 9 right now. So upper's here. There we go. And lower's here. There we go. 12. And the lower's 5. So our lower and our median are the same thing, which will make the graph look a little weird, but that's okay. Now I'm actually just going to copy in the graph that I used last time. I know, I'm cheating. Copy, paste. I didn't bring the line, that's all right though. Okay, so I need to make my graph. Here's 5, here's 12. So there's my interquartile range. The median I'm going to draw with a different color, but it's also on 5. And the whiskers are going to go all the way out to 21 and all the way down to 3. So there you go. It's the whole thing. How long did this go? 10 minutes, right on the nose. Alrighty? There's the problems. We're going to do those tomorrow in class.